When comparing NordVPN versus IPVanish, the question often comes down to what's more important to you, the best premium features or the best VPN for multi-device households. Both of these services bring something unique to the table, but depending on your needs, one might be a better choice than the other. Stick around to see which one comes out on top, and stay tuned for an even better option at the end. Let's start with NordVPN. NordVPN's premium features are really hard to beat. First off, it's one of the fastest VPNs on the market. This is thanks to its extensive server network, over 5,000 servers spread across 60 countries. This makes it a great choice for those looking to stream in high definition or play bandwidth-heavy games. And with NordVPN's specialty servers, like Onion over VPN and Double VPN, you get an extra layer of security that few other services can match. Next, NordVPN is known for its strong security protocols. With military-grade AES 256-bit encryption, a strict no-logs policy, and advanced security features like CyberSEC, which blocks ads and malicious websites, it's perfect for anyone looking for the best protection online. But what really sets NordVPN apart is its NordLynx protocol, which offers faster speeds while maintaining high security, something a lot of VPNs struggle to do. On the flip side, let's talk about IPVanish. IPVanish offers a completely different value proposition. It's a solid choice for multi-device households, especially if you have multiple devices that need VPN protection. IPVanish allows unlimited simultaneous connections. This is huge if you've got a family or household that needs to secure phones, laptops, smart TVs, tablets, and more all at the same time. Now, IPVanish doesn't have as many servers as NordVPN, just over 2,000 in around 75 locations, but it does offer decent speeds, especially for users in North America. If you're using IPVanish to secure all your devices, it's reliable, and with its solid range of apps across different platforms, you can protect every device in your household without issues. But while it's an easy-to-use and affordable option, its security isn't quite on the same level as NordVPN. The encryption is strong, but IPVanish lacks some of the advanced features that make NordVPN shine, like Double VPN or Onion over VPN. Moving forward, NordVPN also has a major advantage in the streaming department. It consistently unblocks Netflix, BBC iPlayer, and other streaming services with ease. This is thanks to its vast server network and ability to bypass geo-restrictions. IPVanish is still solid for streaming, but it's not as consistent as NordVPN when it comes to unblocking all your favorite services. Another consideration is price. While NordVPN might be a little more expensive, you're paying for premium features, top-tier security, and the ability to connect to the best range of servers worldwide. IPVanish is much more budget-friendly, making it a solid choice for those on a tighter budget, especially if multi-device support is your top priority. It's one of the best value-for-money VPNs if you need to secure a large number of devices simultaneously. But here's the thing, while both NordVPN and IPVanish have their strengths, there's another VPN I've personally tried that outshines both of these services when it comes to what most users really need. I've got an exclusive free trial link in the description, and if you click it, you'll get access to the best trial and exclusive benefits only available to my viewers. So if you want better security, faster speeds, and more simultaneous connections than what either of these VPNs can offer, make sure to check out the first link in the description. NordVPN and IPVanish are both great choices for different reasons, but if you're after the best combination of premium features and reliability, there's a better option out there.